Michael, don't make a video of it.
This is Paige's first time outside of ski school. Let's see what our teacher has taught her. God.
Where am I going?
I don't know, wherever you want.
What is this stupid end? Where do I go? I can't stop in the middle because there's people.
Just stop on the sides then.
Okay, I'm gonna try and stop over here on the side.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna be all the way over.
Do whatever you want, whatever you think is good. I should be able to follow you. So cool. Oh no! Oh! My God, are you okay?
Mike,
Huh?
please turn the camera off.
Oh, okay.